Hot take. This whole join the council or join the dot rebellion thing is kind of stupid and childish. Plus, I feel like people are taking it, too serious. I heard something about council members doxing and harassing people for saying no to their recruitments. It's genuinely just stupid and childish and not worth .dox-ing people over. And also, it's just really annoying seeing spammed comment sections. Anyways, Alice going back to Mars.